You may be wondering what possible links a fabric manufacturer in Devon could have to the planet Mars. Well, Heathcoat Fabrics, which is based in Tiverton, has been asked by the NASA Space Agency to create a high-tech fabric for a parachute, which it's hoped could be used to land on the surface of the red planet. It's a far cry from the company's early days, when it was one of the first to use machines to make lace against the wishes of the Luddites. In the latest in our series on businesses under the radar, our correspondent Caris Edwards has been to visit the factory to find out more.
Is there life on Mars?
Outer space, where it's as cold as it can get. It's where NASA is planning a 2020 mission to Mars, and the high-tech fabric in its parachute is likely to be made in Devon.
It's very exciting. I'm a bit of a boffin about parachutes and fabrics and nylons and things, and really enjoy being part of that, so it's quite exciting.
The engineers at the Heathcoat factory in Tiverton are developing the textile for NASA, which needs to withstand temperatures of minus 270 degrees Celsius. With the mission costing $2 billion, it can't afford to fail.
It's a whole new world. It's a whole new place that fabrics don't get to go generally. So it'll be really interesting to see how they perform.
The fabric is among a huge variety manufactured at the factory, which is celebrating 200 years in Tiverton. It's all about performance, like this protective airbag for motorcyclists. And most of their fabrics are hidden away. You may well own something from here without knowing it.
We make fabrics for turbocharger hoses for lorries and cars, fabrics for cot mattresses, child slings, cement impregnation. So we make a huge variety of fabrics which go everywhere around the world, from China, the Middle East, North America, South America. So we really are a global business, but based here in Tiverton in Devon.
Throughout its history, Heathcoat has been at the forefront of innovation in textile manufacturing. When it opened on this site in 1816, it was among the first to use machinery to replace traditional lace making. The museum here is holding a special exhibition to commemorate its 200th anniversary.
It's really interesting that the factory has always remained one step ahead, from Heathcoat's innovations right through to today. They've always seen a niche market and leapt in there, making high-tech fabrics for whatever time period they're operating in.
So, from lace to high-tech, with Devon now playing its part in answering the ongoing mystery, is there life on Mars? Caris Edwards, BBC Spotlight, Tiverton.